Okay, so this is post-blizzard Chicago. This is my street. Just to give you an idea, like, it is so freaking deep here. Walking down the street right now, which I'm not supposed to do because it's dangerous. But there are no vehicles, and the sidewalks are almost just as impassable as the streets. It is deep. There's snow everywhere. And it's deceiving because the drifts almost make it look like it's not as deep as it is. And I'm winded because it's like a full-fledged workout just to walk down the street. So that's the update. Post-blizzard 2011. Bye for now.